Did you know you can add a quick search button directly to your home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? This button opens Finder, Samsung built-in search tool that helps you quickly find apps, settings, files, and more. Let me show you how to enable it. First, long press on an empty area of the home screen. Then tap Setting. Here, find the option called Show Finder on home screen. And then turn this option on. Now, return to the home screen. You will see a Finder icon displayed just above the bottom app shortcut. Tap this icon to open Finder. From here, you can type anything you want to search for. For example, you can search for an app, a setting, or even a file on your phone. Finder also include additional setting where you can control things like search suggestion, search history, and web search result. To access them, tap the three-dot menu in the search bar and then tap Setting. And that's how you add a quick Finder search button to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.